What's going on, you guys? So in today's video I am going to show you how you can share with family on Steam. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, go to Steam and go to settings. Now after that, go to family and you should be able to see these three options: family view, family library sharing, and authorize library sharing. Now turn this on to enable family sharing on this device. Now after that, you can go ahead and click on manage in family library sharing. So here you will see all the games that you are sharing and with whom you are sharing it with. So a family member can install the games you shared and play them as long as the family sharing option is enabled. Now, in this way, you can also borrow games from your friends or family as long as this option is active. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.